I'm quite intelligent, I've handled the team for very long. I became his partner. So we were partners. So there was no way in the world, the opposition was winning. So he won quite easily.
अच्छा.
And I don't think the other team had an option. But golf, I feel cricketers, I think golf is very different, because I also play golf and I've realized मेरा जो क्रिकेट का गेम है ना, it's very different. So for me, I have to hit the ball hard. Golf में you're not supposed to hit the ball hard. You use the club, and if you want to hit longer, you use a different club. So you basically have a nice swing. The club does the trick for you. मेरा वैसा नहीं है, मैंने जोर से मारना है. So even if I tell myself, कि नहीं बॉल रखा है, just swing, have a normal swing and hit the ball, it will go.
बट उसमें मजा आता है सर, जेन्युइनली मजा आता है, ईमानदारी
नहीं मजा आता है. First, initially, I thought it's a very boring sport. Then I played. So basically, you're fighting against yourself. Whatever, let's say, you finished the game in 98 strokes. So next time when you go, you want to do a 96, 95. So you're not competing against the opposition because your handicap is set. So basically, what you're doing is you're competing against yourself. So I don't know about any other sport, or there may be not many sport where you can compete against anyone. So even against the top golfer in the world, you can play and compete because you get strokes according to your game. So he'll be giving you strokes. So let's say if he finishes in 72 strokes and you finish in 95 and your handicap is more or less, then you can still win. So the pressure is always balanced, but you have to be consistent with your game.
Thala for a reason. I love playing golf with Thala.
मैं भाई एक स्टोरी और कुल्लू ने सुनी थी about how in Dada's last test match you allowed him to last test match
Last session में आपने
उनको कैप्टनसी करने दी थी. उन्होंने तो एक पॉडकास्ट में मेंशन किया था, आपके एंड से हमें स्टोरी सुननी है, which is what a nice gesture. How do you think of it? And फिर आपने apparently एक बार पूछा, उन्होंने resist किया, फिर आपने दोबारा पूछा. Where did that thought come from?
Well, it's very simple. He has been one of the greatest captains that India has ever produced. So what's a better farewell you can give from your side? The last day he's standing on a test match field, playing the game. And, if he can say goodbye leading for a while, then why not? It doesn't really change the result of the game. So, that was the reason behind it. And I don't know whether he enjoyed it or not because it came all of a sudden. It wasn't planned that, this is what you should do. But I thought, that the best way of him, giving a farewell, leading on the field, even if it's for 15, 20 minutes, then why not?
Would you like the favor returned to you? Like, is that something that you would like? एक तो ये handover कैसे होती है?
ऋतुराज भाई देख रहे हो कि
See,
नहीं?
but being a wicket keeper, you're always
In
the
the
vice
game.
captain of the team, in the sense your hands will always move. You may not do the bowling changes, but what you're still doing is setting the field, taking the DRS call, whether it should be taken, not taken. So you're always the vice captain. So I always felt the wicket keeper is always the vice captain of the team. So you're still doing what a captain does, almost, apart from taking those crucial decisions. And you're not owing up to the responsibility, the captain का tension है. I was
Post
only
match
trying
तो
to
वो
help the
जाएंगे.
captain.
ऋतु तू देख ले अभी.
मेरे तरफ से हो गया, बाकी तुम्हारा हेडेक है.